Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car seat stroller combos on Amazon. Car seat stroller combos are the ultimate time saver for busy parents as they allow for effortless transition in moving your, hopefully, sleeping baby from their car seat to a stroller without fuss. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Duna Car Seat Stroller Combo. The Duna Car Seat Stroller Combo takes the top spot as it is a well-rounded performer that's built well with a sturdy aluminum frame, breathable materials, and canopy with UPF 50+ sun protection. Its rear-facing car seat is good for children from 4 pounds up to 35 pounds or up to 32 inches tall, converting from a car seat to a stroller in less than 2 seconds using a single button that collapses all 4 wheels from its base to the ground. In terms of safety, the Duna Car Seat Stroller Combo also does very well, and the adjustable handlebar doubles as an anti-rebound bar and 3-layer side impact protection, gets equally high praise. What we like about it: opens and closes in 2 seconds. Breathable fabric. Excellent 3-layer side impact protection. Easy, single action, color-coded brakes. What we don't like about it: not as nimble on gravel and grass. No storage compartments. Small sunshade. Number 2. Graco Modes Travel System. The Graco Modes Travel System is one of the more versatile car seat stroller combos we've researched, and it's one that the Drive's managing editor Jonathan Klein owned before all 3 of his children grew out of it. It uses the Modes stroller and the SnugRide Snuglock 35 infant car seat, designed to offer 10 different rear and forward-facing riding configurations. Kudos for the stroller's one-handed folding and its automatic upright position when folded, slim enough to store in a trunk or entryway closet. The Modes stroller is modular with a reversible seat, forward or backward facing to support children up to 50 pounds. What we like about it: works as a modular, reversible stroller. One-handed standing fold. 10 different riding configurations. Spacious storage basket. What we don't like about it: stroller on the heavy side, 23 pounds. Average build quality, including plastic wheels. Number 3. Maxi-Cosi ZELIA2 Modular Travel System. The Maxi-Cosi ZELIA2 Modular Travel System offers awesome functionality across the board, as its claim to fame is its 5 configuration setup, which allows your stroller to be set up as a bassinet standard car seat or stroller, allowing your child to face you or the world. Several recline positions also make it very easy for your baby to ride with, and it's designed to be safe for babies from 5 to 30 pounds. Plus, the fact the Maxi-Cosi ZELIA2 Modular Travel System only weighs 21 pounds, making up for its 4-wheel configuration, which generally offers less nimbleness than 3-wheeled versions. It also folds easily, automatically standing upright when folded correctly. What we like about it: lightweight, only 21 pounds. Accommodates children from 5 to 30 pounds. 5-in-1 configuration, doubles as a bassinet or regular toddler seat. Excellent coverage with large canopy and flip-out visor. What we don't like about it: only 4 color options. So warranty length on car seats, 2 years. No level indicator on the car seat base. No child tray. Number 4. UpPababy Vista V2 Mesa Infant Stroller Combo. The UpPababy Vista V2 Mesa Infant Stroller Combo gets an honorable mention salute thanks to its reversible and expandable construction that allows 2 forward or rear-facing car seats. This allows parents to combine 2 infant seats, 2 toddler seats, 2 bassinets, or any combination of the 2. In terms of maneuverability, the UpPababy Vista V2 Mesa Infant Stroller Combo tries its best despite being larger and bulkier than most, starting with large no-flat rubber tires, independent shocks, and a telescoping handlebar. What we like about it: sturdy aluminum alloy frame. Large, foam-filled tires are good on rough terrain. Easy to maneuver telescoping handlebar. Compatible with other car seats using an adapter. What we don't like about it: a more expensive option. No carry strap or handle to close and open. Number 5. Bright X Be Free and Be Safe Gen 2 FlexFit Travel System. This travel system is built like a fortress, combining the Be-Free Stroller and the Be-Safe GEN2 FlexFit Infant. It uses a high-strength steel frame, EPS energy-absorbing foam, and a 3-wheel configuration that is very easy to maneuver. The system is designed to support babies weighing 4 to 35 pounds and can fully recline if your baby falls asleep. What we like about it: high-strength steel frame, 3-wheel configuration for extra agility, side push button for one-handed operation. What we don't like about it: higher than average pricing. No anti-ribbon bar for extra support. No cup holder. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.